When your people succeed achieving the goals that you've set for them, you succeed. When you succeed, FreePoint succeeds. When we succeed together, our society succeeds. Right now, I'm very pleased to say that FreePoint customers collectively have regained over $50 million worth of lost production capacity without adding any machines, without adding any square footage to their plant, or without adding any operational costs. That's $50 million achieved by more people being aware of when they're adding value, when they're not, by more continuous improvement managers having more information for why machines are down, more people getting email, texts, and notifications so they can eliminate downtime before it accumulates. When they succeed, we succeed, and collectively, we all succeed.